The repeater is a great way to create repeating events, but it can be easily abused. It's very tempting to have things repeat far more frequently than what is necessary. If they repeat too frequently, your game's performance could suffer. When using the repeater, try not to have it repeat more frequently than what is really needed. Let's go over the user prefs. Auto start does just what it says. If checked, then the repeater will start repeating as soon as the game starts. Min repeat time determines the minimum amount of time between repeats. Max repeat time determines the maximum amount of time between repeats. There are 3 events. Repeater started happens when the repeater is started. Repeater repeated happens each time the repeater repeats. And repeater stopped happens when the repeater is stopped. How about a quick demonstration? I'm going to drop 3 items into my scene. I'll drop the repeater into my scene. I'll drop an event cycler into my scene. And I'll drop in a laser beam, which can be found in the Toys folder. I want the laser beam to continue turning on and off. That's what the event cycler is for. With the event cycler selected, I'll expand the Group 1 triggered event and the Group 2 triggered event. I'll drag the laser beam to the Group 1 triggered event and tell it to turn on the laser. Then I'll drag the laser beam to the Group 2 triggered event and tell it to turn off the laser. The event cycler will now cycle through these 2 events. Now let's select the repeater. I'll make sure the auto start is checked so that it starts repeating at the start of the game. I'll change the min repeat time to 0.5 and the max repeat time to 1. That way we have a little bit of randomness. Next, I'll expand the repeater repeated event and drag in the event cycler. I'll select Trigger Next Group from the drop-down list. So the repeater will trigger the event cycler every 0.5 to 1 seconds, and the event cycle will turn the laser beam on and off. Let's test it out.